Hey everybody, John the Phone Guy here. Got another bracelet sizing. We have today the Venom Gen 3 in Blue Label. This is model 28630 and full bracelet obviously with Blue Label goodness on the back here and all of that. It's a blued mother of pearl, which is just gorgeous. But let's get right to it. We're going to size this guy up. So obviously arrows. Always look for the arrows. Makes life so much easier. And as always, I size all my bracelets from the bottom up. Oop, missed a piece of plastic. Oops. Alright, so we took 3 on that side. Venoms are a pretty good size, and for me, I have to go fairly small. My wrist is somewhere between 6 3/4 and 7, depending on how tight you squeeze it. Lost some weight recently with some back surgery and whatnot, but anyway. So I'm just kind of playing these by ear right now. Okay, that's a bit too loose for me. So that was 3 and 3. So question is, do I keep it and do I micro adjust, or do I take another one? I'm thinking I may micro adjust on this guy, just because I think I can get close with a micro adjust. And you're not seeing what I'm doing because I'm not paying attention to the camera. So I'm going to go 2. See what we get here. Typically I would suggest doing 1 pin at a time because you can see it kind of jerks around a little bit there. Okay, now that's a lot better. That's a little bit, but not nearly like it was. So a lot better. I like that fit. I like a looser fit. I know some guys prefer a more snug fit on their wrist, and I can appreciate that, because what happens is if you don't, you get that little bump on your wrist, and if you don't care for that, then I would say go more snug. Trying to get an angle that both of us can work with. That got me. Okay, there we go. So there we have it. This is the Venom Gen 3, as you can tell, because it has the scalloped pieces out of the bezel here in the blue label. And I usually forget to do this because I get talking and then forget what I'm doing, but this is how I store my bracelets when I'm done. So I take the tag, I write the model number on it, and I feed it through here so that it's all attached. And then I have these little Ziplocs. These are a little big. These are 3x3s, so usually 3x2s are better because they're not as wide. But this will definitely get the job done. So slide that guy in, put him in there. That way you can see what the bracelet looks like on this side and read the number on that side. So that's kind of how I do mine. And with that, we are done with this bracelet. And again, this is the Venom Gen 3, is 28630 in the blue label, all sized up and ready to roll. Shout outs to Instagram, Smitten by Invicta Women's Fashion and Invicta Combinations, YouTube, Trap Vision 3D, Invicta Lifestyles, Tommy Big Time. Also Shop HQ and Invicta stores where we buy the vast majority of our watches. Facebook friends, Invictaholics, Invictacruisers, InvictaVets. And as always, if you enjoy this video or any of the others, please subscribe, hit the bell, and that way you'll know when the next one's up if you're interested. Hope you like it. Talk to you later. Bye.